Hi, my name is Kyle, and this is a simple English video. Turn on the subtitles in English or Spanish if you want a little extra help during the video. The best way to learn a language is not with grammar. That is a common urban myth. The best way to learn a language is with comprehensible input, like this video. What is comprehensible input? Comprehensible input is anything in English that you can understand almost completely, like this video. And in this video, I want to introduce myself. During this introduction, I will ask you questions. Make sure that you answer the questions out loud, not silently in your head, out loud. Let's begin. As you know, my name is Kyle. I am an English teacher. I teach English to Latin Americans. My students from Latin America speak Spanish. I also speak Spanish. This helps me to teach my students. My first language, my native tongue, my mother language is English. I speak English, Spanish, and Swedish. And right now, I am learning Russian and Portuguese. Now, some questions. Answer them out loud. What is my job? I am an English teacher. Perfect. What language do my students speak? My students speak Spanish. Perfect. What languages do I speak? I speak English, Spanish, and Swedish. Excellent. And what languages am I learning? I am learning Russian and Portuguese. Good job. Let's continue. I am 31 years old. Today is June 21st, 2022. In November 2022, I will turn 32 years old. Last November, I turned 31 years old. Currently, I live in Bogota, Colombia. I was born in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. My family still lives in Alberta, Canada. Alberta is a province in Western Canada. Now, some questions. Please answer them out loud. How old am I? That's right. I am 31 years old. What is today's date? Today's date is June 21st, 2022. How old will I turn in November 2022? I will turn 32 years old in November 2022. Where do I live currently? Yes, currently I live in Bogota, Colombia. Where does my family live? My family lives in Alberta, Canada. Where was I born? I was born in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Where is the province of Alberta? The province of Alberta is in Western Canada. Let's continue with the last part of this simple English video and my introduction. My favorite things to do in my free time are to read, to learn languages, and to work out. I go to the gym to work out 4 to 5 times a week. My workout sessions usually last about 1 hour. Now some questions. Please answer them out loud. What are my 3 favorite things to do in my free time? That's right. My 3 favorite things to do in my free time are to read, to learn languages, and to work out. How often do I go to the gym? I go to the gym 4 to 5 times a week. That's correct. How long do my workout sessions last? My workout sessions last about 1 hour. Fantastic! You made it to the end of this simple English video. Now, I want you to answer the following questions below in the comments. I look forward to reading your answers. Question number 1. What's your name? Question number 2. How old are you? Question number 3. Where are you from? Question number 4. What is your job? Question number 5. What do you like to do in your free time? Question number 6. What is today's date? Please answer the questions. And remember, if you like this video, if you understand that the best way to learn English is with comprehensible input, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to receive notifications when I release a new video, make sure you click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, my dear student.